On the number line above, how many units longer is QR than PQ? So we have this line segment QR and this line segment PQ, and we want to compare their lengths. Why don't we start with the length of QR? So the distance from Q to R would be the difference, and that's subtraction, the difference between 5 1/6 and 3. So what is 5 1/6 minus 3? Well, 5 minus 3 is 2, and there's this extra 1/6 hanging around. So the length of QR is 2 1/6. What about PQ? That would be the difference between 3 and 1 1/3. The way I see it, we started with 3, we subtracted 1, so now we're at 2, and then we took away another 1/3, so we're left with 1 2/3. That's the length of PQ. So to figure out how many units longer is QR than PQ, we have to find the difference one more time. We have to do QR minus PQ. So that's 2 1/6 minus 1 2/3. Since we're subtracting, we want to find a common denominator. It looks like 6 will do, so I'll multiply the one on the right by 2 on the top and bottom. So this becomes 2 1/6 minus 1 4/6. Now there might be some debate about how to continue. Some people really like working with mixed fractions. I think they're good for some things, but I think operations like adding, multiplying, stuff like that, they get in the way. So I'm going to turn it into, both of these, into improper fractions. So let's see, 2 1/6 as an improper fraction. 6 times 2 plus 1 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so that's 13/6. 1 4/6, let's look at it. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10, so 13/6 minus 10/6. Sixths. So that would be 3/6, which is equivalent to 1/2. And that is answer choice B. Thank God I don't have to say sixths anymore.